So what you're saying is, it's lost its horsepower. Just better kickstart it.
Yeah.
There you go.
There it is.
What's wrong with that?
Oh look!
Whoa! What's it doing?
Burning oil.
It is. Time for rings. Oh, look at that! Don't hit it. You're making it worse. Cut it off. All right, this car is here for a clutch. The customer has actually supplied his own parts. He's doing the ACT. He's got the flywheel and the clutch kit right here. So we actually had a cancellation, called him, and he was quick to get the car over. So we're glad we got him taken care of. We'll do a quick video of the clutch when it comes out, so he has something to look at here. All right, old clutch actually looks pretty good. Not too many hot spots. I think we're gonna have to recommend a rear main seal. It doesn't look that good. There's a lot of dust around there. It's not leaking bad, but it's definitely not a good scenario. So luckily we keep those in stock.
Was that the guy with the smile on the box?
Sure is.
It is.
The smile.
The smile always means something good.
Look at that.
What is that?
24 single bottles.
24 single bottles?
Yes!
Of what?
For 24 single people? Look at that.
Who's it from?
It's natural artisan water.
Yes. Fiji's the best.
Doesn't say.
It doesn't say.
Really?
Amazon gift receipt.
Oh.
Well, we can say thank you by scanning that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, whoever sent this awesome time.
I scanned it.
There's another box over here too.
Yeah, well, maybe that one has a note in it. Maybe
Is that
it's from the same
did that come today?
It just came right now, Amazon.
It's oversized. Don't cut through it.
I won't.
Attention,
What if you just did?
John, Esther, and George.
It could be like,
yes.
Look at that. We're gonna
Gatorades.
be totally hydrated.
Yes, look
No
at
one, no one leaves thirsty.
that. No kidding. It's good because it's like 92 today.
Yeah.
And we don't have the air conditioner on.
No.
So we're sweating it out.
But we do have that on.
That little butt fan. It's not the big ass, it's the little butt fan.
Yeah.
So not only when you do a ton of clutches, you know all the little ins and outs, you also know when the correct bolts are in there. This came out of the slave cylinder. That's the correct size bolt. That one is too short, which means someone changed it, lost the bolt, and said, hey, that's the right size, let's put it in. 10 millimeters shorter. It might not make a difference, but there's a reason why Honda chose that length. Luckily we have some more. So this is another, you've seen us talk about this, and the people that are going to say, oh, it's great, leave it every 5 years like Honda say, or somebody's book, don't listen to them. This is what happens when you don't replace it, and this will cause a problem with your master cylinder and slave cylinder. So we're gonna address this. 15,642 is when your oil change is due, sir. And what? 16,056, you're 500 miles over, 600 miles over. I don't know how many miles over, but yes, I'm here for an oil change. I'm at LHD Performance. These guys seem to know what they're doing. They recommend you change your oil at every 3,000 mile intervals, and I'm all about changing my oil, so that's what we're getting right here. Let's see which technician is going to change my oil. Hopefully it's not that tall goofy guy that has a funny English accent. So this is it, my 2016 GMC Sierra. This is my daily. It's due for an oil change, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use Mobil 1 and a Mobil 1 filter, and that's it. Look how dusty it is under there. No car shows, don't wash it, clean the outside of it. Look how nice the outside is. It just had a major rainstorm. Oh, look who's here. It's the elusive garbage guy. Alright, so even though the newer American cars are metric, it's not like a Honda that's 10, 12, 14, 17. So to get the right wrench, that's what wrench you use to change the oil. Squeaky toy? Yeah. So these are all the bushings that George pulled out so that we could powder coat those, and obviously not powder coat these. So it is assemble time, right?
Yeah.
You remember how it goes back together?
I was hoping so. I mean, they're all different sizes and different bushings, so it shouldn't be too difficult.
Oh, that's true. Yeah. Looks like the 3 different diameters.
I think this is, who makes green?
Vegeta?
No, it's not Milwaukee, it's the other one, the other M name.
Milwaukee?
Makita.
Makita.
I believe it's Makita.
Didn't Elton John sing a song about Makita?
More than likely.
Alright.
Wouldn't you sing a song about this?
I would.
It's probably a country song though.
About your grinder burning up?
Yeah.
That's it.
My dog died, my grinder burned up.
Stinks too.
My truck rolled down a hill without me in it.
No, true country song is you're in it.
Yeah.
Wow, that has a bad smell.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and rebuild it and fire it back up.
See if it'll work.
Put a new set of rings in it. Well, listen how quiet that thing is. Is that hybrid? Is it running on electric right now?
Yeah, it's on electric right now.
It's quiet, all you can hear is the tires.
Yeah. It's running out of battery.
The battery's done. Alright, start the engine. That's how good this thing sounds. This thing just sounds so good.